This video will show you how to highlight and change the color of an entire column in Google Sheets. Open a spreadsheet in Google Sheets on your web browser. This can be a new or existing spreadsheet. Highlight the column you want to color. You can also click any cell in the column, then press Ctrl plus space, Windows, or Command plus space, Mac, to highlight the entire column. Right-click the column and click Conditional Formatting. This will be next to a paintbrush icon. A new panel will open on the right side. You can also click the down arrow next to the column letter, or go to Format, Conditional Formatting. If you have an existing rule in the spreadsheet, click Add another rule. Apply the format rules. If you want to highlight the text-filled cells, click the drop-down menu under Format Cells If and select Is Not Empty. If you want to highlight the empty cells, select Is Empty. If you want to apply a formula, select Custom Formula is at the very bottom of the drop-down menu. Apply the formatting style. Click the paint bucket icon to select the highlight color. You can also apply boldness, italics, underline, strike through, or change the text color. Click Done. Your column will be highlighted. If you found this video helpful, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel for even more helpful tutorials.